What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Captain Save a Fox 101 White GT, giving it some love. So here's the deal. If you caught the video last week, the marketplace find 93 GT, pretty rough, kind of. Well, I'll say kind of rough, but we're doing some very, very minor and simple things to bring this car back, and you guys can do the exact same thing. So let's go.
You know, most of the time it's just undoing stuff people have done.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it is. So when we got this, you remember this whole front lower, someone decided to paint it black. Probably thought it was a bright idea too.
Cool, man. It's cool.
Yeah, I guess. But a little brake clean and look. Now, obviously this bumper cover is not perfect, but un-effing it by getting all the black off, definitely huge step in the right direction. So that is number one. All that costs is a little brake clean and some rags. All right, so number two, moving around back. You guys remember when we got it, it had the white cheese graters and both of them were smashed. But guess what? Used set of LX tails. That ass end is looking better already. Again, it's not perfect. We've still got quite a bit to do. But that's a huge upgrade already. This car is starting to come together. So let's continue. So you guys remember the driver's seat. Now obviously you may not have an extra set of seats hanging around, but you can always find them. But you remember this one was screwed up. But I think Alex did all this, didn't he? Alex was kind of got excited. So check it out. We had this one in just a extra seat that we didn't have any use for. Guess what? Now we got no holes. Both the seats look great. Now obviously there's more to do. We've got a LMR cup holder console on the way. We've got another lid for it, so we're going to do that. I'm telling you guys, it's just the little stuff. When you go look at a car marketplace and it looks kind of ratty, you need to consider the fact that just a few simple things and you can really start putting it together. Because I'm telling y'all, when we get through with this, this is going to be none too shabby white with black interior 93 GT. But we're going to do some headlights, a little bit of under hood resto. So let's get it. Issue number one taken care of. Number two, we're going to take care of this. I think we're going to just pull this alternator off, but it was amateur hour on the wiring. Next up, we're going to get this fan out of here. Put a clutch fan back on it. Should be back reliable again. So let's do it. Up a little bit. I'm telling y'all though, look, I mean, what a freaking difference. If y'all look like that, come on now, it's literally one screw to swap these out. Yeah, cool, just sit there, slide this beast on there. I'm telling you, just the little stuff. I'm about to put that back bumper on. Got this side done. I freaking love it. All right, boys, more fun. You guys with the GTs with the fog lights. We didn't have any tail lights or marker lights or anyway, yeah. So pulled this out. It'll be bad. So luckily had another GT out back. Do a little pigtail fixing. Yeah, we should have all the lights now,
Hopefully.
but speaking of lights, that looks 100% better. How you doing down there, Bill?
I'm hanging in there.
Dude, that light is
It works real good.
yeah, it does. Yeah, I got fog lights, headlights. Alex been working his magic. These things were all yellow before. Yeah, progress. I guess it's safe to say that escalated quickly. I was just doing cosmetics.
Yeah, you know how it is.
Yeah. Okay, so
there's
yeah,
always
full
something
disclosure, intake gaskets were leaking, so we were on a roll. Said the hell with it. Go ahead and put intake gaskets on it, but
2 broke bolts.
yeah, 2 broke bolts.
I don't think it's ever been off. Is the reason.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was original. It still had the bracket on the back of the intake, wherever that went. But yeah. So we're gonna get some intake gaskets on it and
Go cruising.
yeah, clean it up. Not too bad. All right, guys, so that's pretty much gonna wrap that one up. Main point of this video is all these little things that are wrong with your car that kind of overall give it somewhat crappy appearance or give you a crappy sense of what the car is and kind of makes you discouraged and want to get rid of it. They're easily fixed. Lots of used parts out there available for sale in Marketplace and other places. And a lot of the stuff that we did today is not hard to do. It's something you can do in an afternoon. So fix your car up. You don't have to spend a bunch of money. You don't have to buy a bunch of parts. Just fix the little stuff. It goes a long way in bringing your car back. And this 93 GT gets a new lease on life. So I hope you love this one. If you do, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.